ASE Area 6E, lighting systems, plus the wiring diagram tasks of 6A at workshop scale. The T-Varia lighting package is a complete equipment cart with system panels carrying original automotive components, double headlamps with real H4 and H7 bulbs, a controls panel, LED rear lights, even a trailer panel. Students build the entire vehicle lighting system themselves, wiring by circuit diagram with DIN 7252 terminal designations, the way real harnesses are labeled. The instructor inserts hidden faults, 20 of them, switchable in a lockable fault box, and students troubleshoot with standard workshop test equipment, using wiring diagrams during diagnosis, exactly as the ASE task reads, manual with 123 pages of tasks, worksheets, and solutions. Position it after the lab trainers, before the vehicle. The line. Students wire a whole car's lighting before they touch a car.